Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on today and show you guys my roasted veggie recipe. It's really simple, but I had said in another video that I wanted to share it with you. It's a meal that I make often, if not every week, maybe twice a week. Sometimes I skip, but I really like it, and I've made it for my family before and they really like it also. It's really quick and it's easy. It's really simple, and then you kind of get a lot of veggies in at one meal, so that's an added plus if anybody is vegan or plant-based. So some of the vegetables that I'll be using is, I'm looking over here at my notes, is I'm going to use Brussels sprouts. Maybe I'll just pick them up and show you guys. So I'm going to use my Brussels sprouts, have some asparagus, zucchini, yellow squash, have some baby carrots, and the Peewee potatoes. What I'll be using to season is garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and the pink Himalayan salt. So it doesn't really require a lot of seasoning. The vegetables the flavor kind of comes through. And then I'll be using just a little touch of oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash off the vegetables and then come back and start chopping them up. Okay guys, see you in a minute. Okay guys, so I'm back. I rinsed off all my vegetables and I'm just gonna kind of chop them up, and then I'm gonna put them in actually a pot, and then I put a little oil and then the seasoning. So I got the asparagus, so I'm gonna start with that, and then, you know, just cut it up. It's not rocket science, this, you guys. Zucchini, I have more than that, one asparagus, but I was just want to show you how I did. And then as far as the zucchini, I'm just going to kind of do it in coins and do it in half. And then I do that to the yellow squash also. And then I'll show you guys how I do like one of the Brussels sprouts. I take the leaves off and then just cut the stem off. And yes, I'm using my famous steak knife. And then I just cut it in half, like that. And I just kind of toss it in the pan. So I will come back again and show you guys how I season it. Oh, and then like the little Peewee potatoes, you know, they're kind of small. So, I mean, you could either just cut them in half like that, or you can dice them smaller if you want them smaller, but they cook really fast. It's really not necessary to make them so small. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what the vegetables are looking like in the pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil in, and some salt and pepper, and the garlic powder, and the onion powder. So, just gonna do a little oil. Sometimes oil can come out a little more than you want, but I don't want all that much oil on my vegetables. And I've gone to places before, restaurants, and they roasted the vegetables, and there was so much oil on the vegetables that I really couldn't even eat them. So grab the onion powder, put it on, and did I open? Yeah, I didn't open this garlic powder yet. I thought I had. Let me grab another one. This is the one I get from the Target garlic powder. Good and Gather. So I just sprinkle a little bit of that on. And then I just simply take the vegetables and I just toss them. Kind of like you would a salad. Just toss them around. You really don't even have to toss them that much. Just grab a paper towel, clean off my hands. And then I just take a cookie sheet and I line it with foil. And it's really probably not even necessary that you line them with foil. I'm just in the habit of doing that. And I probably need to find another method that's a little more environment friendly. And these are what the vegetables are looking like right here. I think I am going to sprinkle a little bit more garlic powder on now. And I don't know, maybe just a tad bit more salt and pepper. But after I do that, my oven is preheated to 350, and I just put the vegetables on between 30 to 40 minutes. I usually like them 40 minutes because I like them cooked a little more, and I like you know, the Brussels sprouts to kind of get a little, they're not really caramelized, but just a little bit more well done. And then I also use the onion. So then I just take my onion and I slice it. And then just kind of sprinkle it all over the dish. Or sprinkle it all over the vegetables. You can do them super thin if you want to, or you know, if you like them thicker, you can do them a little thicker. I like mine just kind of medium. They don't have to be really thin. Sorry about the arm. Uh-oh. I think this is it for this onion. You can also use the red onions if you prefer red onions. I've actually done them both. I don't like this piece. I actually have done both together, and it comes out really good. But I have a tendency that when I'm roasting vegetables, I just really like, I don't like the red onion as much. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in the oven for well, I'll probably end up doing mine for 40 minutes, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, guys, see you in a minute. Okay, guys, so this is the roasted vegetables that I just took out the oven. You guys can see that pretty good. And I also made myself a little plate. So, you know, I have to have my cornbread. So this is the Whole Foods vegan cornbread. It's the Abe's cornbread. I also use sweet potatoes, and I dice up and put it in. And as soon as I started making my plate, I was like, this looks a little different. Something's missing. And then I realized that that's what it is. But yeah, this is like a really good dish. You can use it as a side dish, a main dish, whatever your preference is. So subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and let me know if you guys are going to try this dish out in the comment section below. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.